Hi, everyone. Welcome to the contributors meeting. I'm going to be your host today. I'm Leo, and starting by sharing my screen. And as always, let's go with triage and discussion. For this week, we had Alex and Ashutosh. Alex and Ashutosh, you want to point out anything you saw this week worth mentioning?
Nothing specific. I found one issue interesting. We put it in a Zoom chat. So this is regarding the shard is not getting balanced. So I don't know where we are with this thing. So yeah, if you can bring that issue.
Can't you see my screen?
Yeah.
This is the issue you're talking about, right?
Yes.
I might be wrong. It looks like a cosmetic issue to me. It's maybe, I doubt that controller doesn't recognize shard, but the CLI very likely might just ignore it. That's possible. The CLI command here, I cannot remember if we actually, taking into account the shard in the cluster.
So this CLI command does not give the right info?
It just, I think it was always kind of meant to help people to get the right balancing. And so, and idea was this first command is to show the distribution. And then here, this is a good example. So here we can see that shard 0 get way less than shard 1. And then there is kind of a sister command that rebalances, and then you can rerun. Actually, no, it rebalances and it prints the new distribution. So, and because I wrote it, I don't remember me taking into account, the shards that's assigned to cluster. So that's my first kind of suspicion is just a CLI command implementation is wrong.
I have a question related to that, Alex. As far as I remember, the current charting algorithm will assign a given cluster always to the same controller, right? To the Argo CD controller instance.
Yes.
So what do you mean by rebalancing? So how would the rebalancing logic works in this case?
It's possible to just create a field in the cluster secret.
Okay.
And field is shard, and I think that's what bug is about. Someone changed the shard and then run this command again and get distribution like the shard is not set.
Okay, so the redistribution, the redistribution in the current algorithm only works if someone manually changes the charting configuration.
So what I meant by balancing is we have a CLI command that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So yeah,
refreshes, right?
Distribution means like someone need to manually assign shards to each cluster. Right. Yes, and this particular CLI command, I think it's showing the information without taking into account the shards. Yeah. So bug looks really bad, sounds bad, but I think it's only applicable to the CLI. So
makes sense.
And fix supposed to be trivial, but I guess worth to check it quickly.
Okay, I will update the.
I think you can get that information from the logs of the application controller, right?
Yes, it's easy to check. Application controller prints the first line, so we can ask user, we can kind of upload that work, and we can just ask to confirm if I think it's she. If she only seeing it in CLI, then and it works well in controller, then at least it's a low priority bug.
Okay. And one more issue, I guess it's a regression. It's a UI issue. So Leo, if you pull that issue.
This is okay. I had the same update. I think that was bothering me.
We are seeing the tooltip. I don't know. I don't think this is the one. But yeah, there is one issue which we are seeing the tooltips are not right. And So I think there's some regressions there.
It's still 2.8, so it's not yet out. But I think it's a blocker for release candidate because my first reaction was like, "Oh, UI doesn't work at all," and then I realized it's just a tooltip. But tooltip is because it's so prominent, I would fix it before creating release candidate.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And then I think it's. We already chatted about it. I was going to dedicate my next week to help with, at least UI fixes. So I can assign it to myself. Yeah, easy. I just assigned it.
Cool. Thank you, Alex. All right. Anything else for triage and discussions?
Yeah, that's pretty much for my side.
Anything you wanted to bring up, Alex?
No. I only wanted to bring up that UI,
Okay.
couple UI bugs, and Ashutosh did it already.
Okay. Thank you. So let's see. For next week, do we have any volunteers for doing triage in the call?
I can do the primary.
Oh wow! Thanks, Jan.
I'll take secondary, Leo.
Oh, thank you, Justin. Oh yeah, found you here. Cool. Thanks a lot, everyone. So we're done with triage and discussion. And we have no topics. So if someone has a last minute topic wanna bring up, we have time for discussing. Otherwise, yeah, I'll just give this time back on your day.
I'll brag on Justin for a second, who now works at Acuity, and just praise the open source industrial pipeline.
Cool stuff.
I love it. Love it when open source people get paid to do open source.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's and for congratulations to Acuity to get such a talent hired.
Thank you, guys.
100%
Those are
agree.
very kind words. One thing I did want to bring up to everybody, I believe next Monday is our pre-release meeting for Argo CD 2.8.
Isn't next Monday holiday?
Oh yeah. In US,
It is.
It is.
US, in Canada as well, I think. Anyways, I just wanted to bring it up.
I guess it's
Maybe-
only in Quebec.
Could do Tuesday. We should probably check with Keith, since Keith is in charge of the meeting, but if folks are going to be off Monday, then we can just
Yeah,
push it a day.
Yeah, sorry, I was
think-
on mute. Yeah, it's still scheduled for 19th of June, but yeah, I think we could postpone it to the Tuesday if it's okay with everyone.
And what is the
an
meeting?
It's a holiday in Canada, but I guess it's a holiday in the US. So yeah, we can change it. I'll reschedule it.
Yeah, let's do Tuesday. Leo, I think you're asking what the meeting is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, release planning meeting. Basically, the last chance for people to say, "Hey, maintainers, please merge my PR before the RC."
Cool.
And I'm about to put up a PR to update our release docs to actually reflect the dates that we've pushed the RC date 1 week, and we've pushed the release meeting a little bit. So I'll have a PR up for that in a second.
Cool. Thanks, Michael. Yeah, one last minute topic I wanted to bring up is that there's recent work regarding charting improvements in Argo CD. So I worked together with Akram and Ishita in those initiatives. So with Akram, there's a new strategy for charting, which is round robin. This is merged now. It's going to be available in 2.8. And with Ishita, we merged her proposal for automatically rebalancing charts based on the current algorithm in place. So yeah, just a small update on the scalability part of Argo CD, and it's coming in 2.8. All right, so anything else anyone wants to bring up?
Keith is handling the release for 2.8, the release checklist. If anyone's interested in handling 2.9, let me know. We don't really have an official process for picking someone. Just put up a PR against the release doc with your name in it, or just chat with us in the contributors channel or whatever.
You can put my name on 2.9, Michael.
Cool. I'll add it to this PR.
Thank you. Okay, one more time, any last minute topic? Okay, if not, have a great rest of your day. See you all next week. Thanks all.
Thanks. Likewise to you. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, everybody.